Imagine turning your own rooftop into a full-fledged observatory. No long trips, no crowds, just you and the stars. Features and benefits. Meet the Astrohaven Dome, a sleek fiberglass structure designed for ultimate stargazing. One of their standout models spans 6 meters in diameter, offering enough space for a telescope and even a small office setup with a desk and computer. Built with advanced aerospace technology, it ensures durability, precision, and smooth operation, bringing professional-grade observatory experience right to your home. Context and real-world impact. Whether you're a passionate astronomer, a curious hobbyist, or even part of a military project, Astro Haven makes exploring the night sky effortless and immersive. It transforms ordinary rooftops into hubs of innovation, knowledge, and inspiration, allowing anyone to experience the universe like never before. Strong closing statement. With Astro Haven, the stars are no longer distant, they're just a few steps away, waiting to be discovered from the comfort of your own home. Imagine securing a fully loaded truck in seconds, without breaking a sweat. That's exactly what Truck Safe makes possible. Features and benefits. This smart system locks down cargo with heavy-duty straps at just the push of a button. No more wrestling with ropes or wasting precious time. In as little as a few seconds to a minute, your freight is safe and ready to roll. But here's the real game changer. Truck Safe doesn't stop working once you hit the road. It continuously monitors strap tension and automatically tightens if needed, keeping everything firmly in place. Context and real-world impact. For truckers and logistics companies, this isn't just a convenience, it's a revolution. On every trip, the system can save up to an hour of manual labor. That's not just efficiency, it's reduced downtime, safer cargo, and fewer headaches on long hauls. Whether it's heavy rolls, large sheets, or bulky bales, Truck Safe ensures every load arrives intact. Closing statement. Truck Safe isn't just about securing cargo, it's about securing peace of mind, trip after trip.
When it comes to clearing city streets, snowplows are still unrivaled. This snowplow features a skid steer system and lateral rotating wings to make the job even faster and easier by maintaining constant pressure on the surface. The blade prevents snowy patches from getting through, making it even easier to remove the snow. The working width is adjustable, which is also an advantage. The maximum is 159 inches and the minimum is 99 inches. The blade is designed to work with tractors weighing from 4,000 to 14,000 pounds. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is a truly unique car that was unveiled at the 2017 Geneva Motor Show. Car is based on the Rolls-Royce Phantom, and it's one of only two ever made. The car has a V12 engine that produces 45 horsepower, and it can reach a top speed of 150 miles per hour. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. What makes the Sweptail so special is its incredible design. The car has a very sleek and stylish look that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The car also has a number of unique features such as a built-in wine cooler and an umbrella holder. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is one of the most expensive cars in the world, but its unique features and stunning design make it worth every penny. It's priced $13 million.
The armored airboat is a specialized craft designed for operation in shallow waters, making it ideal for rescue missions and emergency response scenarios. Equipped with a powerful engine, it navigates effortlessly through marshes, rivers, and flood zones, allowing swift access to areas that other vehicles may find challenging. Its reinforced armor provides an additional layer of protection, ensuring the safety of both the crew and any individuals being rescued. This robust construction is particularly beneficial in hostile environments where threats may arise. The airboat's design also includes versatile features such as a spacious deck for transporting personnel and equipment, as well as advanced communication systems to coordinate rescue efforts effectively. Its ability to operate in difficult conditions, combined with its emphasis on security and resilience, makes the armored airboat an invaluable asset for search and rescue teams and law enforcement agencies, enhancing their operational capabilities in critical situations.
Futuria. Unlike other trucks in our list, this is rather a fully fledged house on wheels. It's equipped with a swimming pool on the roof, a garage for a sports car with a mirror ceiling, a living room, a bedroom, a solarium, and many other features. The vehicle moves thanks to a 3L four-cylinder diesel engine that can deliver up to 170 horsepower. The truck trailer was developed in cooperation with a well-known manufacturer of mobile homes, and therefore the creators were able to take into account the needs and wishes of future owners. The garage for the sports car is located at the back of the house on wheels. On the classic van introduced in the early 1960s as part of the Ford Falcon line designed for versatility, the Falcon Club wagon was available in passenger and cargo variants, making it popular with families, businesses, and recreational users alike. Its compact size and efficient use of space made it a practical choice for those seeking a vehicle that could comfortably transport people or haul goods, while its boxy design and flat nose gave it a distinctive look that became iconic in the era. Powered by reliable engines, the Falcon Club wagon offered solid performance for both city driving and highway cruising.
The Mercedes-Benz LG 1519 6x6 is a robust, multi-purpose truck engineered to conquer tough off-road environments with ease. Renowned for its high suspension articulation, this vehicle can tackle challenging terrains where other trucks would struggle. Equipped with a powerful 6x6 drivetrain, the LG 1519 distributes torque across all 6 wheels, ensuring reliable traction on muddy, rocky, or uneven surfaces. Its high ground clearance and durable axles make it an ideal choice for operations that demand resilience and adaptability. The LG 1519 is frequently employed in military, industrial, and emergency response settings, particularly for missions that require substantial cargo capacity and rugged performance. Its reinforced chassis and powerful engine enable it to transport heavy loads, essential supplies, or specialized equipment across difficult routes, from dense forests to desert landscapes. Built with low-maintenance features, the truck is designed to perform reliably even in the most remote or harsh environments, minimizing downtime and repair needs. The interior is designed to prioritize driver comfort and visibility, with an ergonomic layout that reduces fatigue on long journeys. This focus on durability, reliability, and rugged design has made the Mercedes-Benz LG 1519 a trusted option for off-road and overland applications worldwide, where adaptability and toughness are essential.
Scientists are making big strides in healing damaged hearts, not with traditional transplants, but by using 3D printed living tissue made from a person's own cells. Using advanced bioprinters, researchers can now create heart tissue that functions like the real thing. They start by taking human stem cells, specifically induced pluripotent stem cells, which can be reprogrammed into heart muscle and blood vessel cells. These cells are then mixed into a special gel-like bio-ink and printed layer by layer to form tissue that actually contracts like a real heart. This cutting-edge method could completely change how we treat heart disease. Since the tissue is made from the patient's own cells, there's a lower risk of rejection, making treatments more personalized and safer. The technology also brings us closer to one day creating entire human hearts using 3D printing. Researchers are continuously working on improving blood flow within the printed tissue, called vascularization, and helping the tissue develop more naturally, tissue maturation. What once sounded like science fiction is now becoming a real medical possibility, and it could transform how we heal hearts in the near future.
Next, our off-road journey brings us to Russia, where we get a look at the Jipka-S air defense missile system. It's built on the Gaz-2330 Tiger military vehicle, which is already an excellent choice. Even in its base version, the Tiger comes with an independent torsion suspension on all wheels, a transfer case that lets you lock the center differential, and a tire inflation system, all essential for rough terrain. Plus, the Tiger is multi-purpose, which is important because the Jipka-S system requires 2 vehicles. The first is the combat unit carrying the anti-aircraft gunners, and the second is the command and reconnaissance vehicle, which can control up to 6 combat units at once. Where other vehicles would sink, the Ural just keeps on rolling. Welcome to the American DARPA Racer program. Teams in this competition build unmanned vehicles designed not just to ride autonomously, but to handle off-road terrain as if there were an experienced driver behind the wheel. The whole idea is to push the development of this kind of technology for the U.S. military, and they've made progress. So far, the DARPA Racer program has collected over 100 terabytes of data, and the test vehicles have already covered more than 500 kilometers. They use an array of lidars, radars, and cameras to see in every direction. And the goal is for them to eventually race across rough terrain fully on their own, possibly even better than a human driver could.
Extraordinary hypercar designed to push the boundaries of speed and performance. On the track, the Bugatti Buick is a dream car for racing enthusiasts and a testament to Bugatti's engineering prowess. Bugatti announced the Bully would be the last car ever made with their W6 engine. The bid's name comes from the term Bolide, which literally means the racing car in French. The fundamental concept of the Bully is based on a technical draft of Bugatti chief engineer and technical guru Frank Gaka. Stepping inside the Bully feels like entering a cockpit designed for a jet fighter pilot. The driver is the center of attention, with a wraparound windshield and a minimalist driver-focused layout. The Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Evo Repel is a 3-in-1 portable and rechargeable mosquito repellent lantern that is designed to expel mosquitoes from your outdoor life. The Repel uses heat to activate the mosquito repellent mats, which releases a scent that mosquitoes find repulsive. The repellent mats are evenly heated by the double-sided heating tick, which achieves doubled mosquito repellent effects. Evo Repel has a built-in 14,400 mAh battery that can provide up to 15 hours of light on a single charge. The lantern has 3 brightness levels and a flashing mode, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor activities. Evo Repel can also be used as a power bank to charge your electronic devices. It supports both wired and wireless charging, making it easy to keep your devices powered up on the go.
The Tesla Solar Roof is a game-changing way to turn your roof into a clean energy source. Instead of just sitting there, your roof becomes an active part of your home's power system. Each solar tile looks like a regular roof tile but can generate up to 72 watts of electricity. That means every part of your roof is working to produce energy. With electricity prices always going up, switching to solar power is a smart move. Tesla also makes it easy to keep track of your system with a real-time monitoring app you can check on your smartphone. Madot SQ4E Cabin Roller. Imagine zipping through the city in a futuristic, fully enclosed electric scooter that feels more like a mini-car. That's exactly what the Madot SQ4E brings to the streets. This compact four-wheeler is designed for modern urban life. Measuring just 2.3 meters long, it seats 2 to 3 passengers comfortably while staying small enough to slip through tight traffic and narrow lanes. Don't let the size fool you. Its 1,500 W high-speed motor pushes it up to 50 kilometers per hour, giving you just the right balance of speed and safety for city drives. With 2 battery options, lead-acid or lithium, you can choose between ranges of 80 kilometers to 130 kilometers. Charging is simple too. A standard charge takes 6 to 8 hours, while fast charging cuts that down to just 3 to 5. Step inside, and it feels like a smart microcar. A large LCD touchscreen, electric doors and windows, rear-view camera, one-click start, and even video playback on a 7-inch display all add to the futuristic vibe. Safety isn't ignored either. Hydraulic disc brakes and durable alloy wheels keep you secure. The Madot SQ4E isn't just another scooter. It's redefining how we think about short city commutes, efficient, stylish, and ahead of its time.
In 2022, JAS Techno Auto Group introduced the GAC Space concept, an autonomous, hydrogen-powered MPV. This innovative vehicle features a retractable steering wheel and a unique front design with a continuous grille under a single LED headlight. The Vice President and Head of Design at JAS explained that interior space and luxury are becoming increasingly important as customers strive for a better quality of life. As customers' expectations evolve, finding the right balance between practicality and emotional appeal is key to the future of automotive design. The GAC Space concept was created with this in mind, offering a glimpse into how GAC envisions the future of mobility. By blending cutting-edge technology with luxury and functionality, the vehicle aims to meet the growing demand for both practicality and emotional connection in car design. The GAC Space concept is a forward-thinking vehicle that reflects the brand's commitment to innovation and customer-focused design.
The 3D printed electric car by Local Motors is a groundbreaking vehicle created in partnership with Oak Ridge National Laboratory and Cincinnati Incorporated. As the world's first 3D printed electric car, it showcases the potential of advanced 3D printing technology to transform the automotive industry. This innovative process significantly reduces production time and material waste. Using a large-scale 3D printer, the car's body is printed in just 44 hours. Afterward, mechanical components like the electric motor and batteries are assembled to complete the vehicle. The result is an efficient and sustainable production method that simplifies traditional car manufacturing. This electric car has a top speed of 40 miles per hour and a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for local and neighborhood use. Its compact and eco-friendly design caters to the needs of modern urban commuters while reducing the environmental impact associated with conventional vehicle production. The 3D printed electric car highlights the potential for innovation in sustainable transportation, offering a glimpse into a future where manufacturing is faster, cleaner, and more efficient. With its pioneering use of technology, it paves the way for a new era in the automotive industry, promoting both convenience and environmental responsibility.
Imagine cruising across the moon in style. Toyota's Lunar Cruiser is bringing that dream closer to reality. This isn't just a sci-fi sketch, it's a serious concept built with Japan's Aerospace Exploration Agency, aiming to hit the lunar surface by 2040. The Lunar Cruiser is massive, about the size of 2 minibuses, and built to keep astronauts safe and mobile. Normally it carries 2 explorers, but in emergencies, it can hold up to 4. What's even more impressive is its range, over 10,000 kilometers without refueling. That means astronauts can travel vast distances on the moon without worrying about power. But Toyota didn't stop at mobility. The Lunar Cruiser comes with a robotic arm that can handle tasks as simple as sweeping lunar dust or as complex as supporting scientific missions. It's a blend of practicality and futuristic engineering designed for the harshest environment we know. If successful, this rover won't just be a vehicle, it'll be a symbol of humanity's next step in exploration. The question is, are we ready to see Toyota's logo rolling across the moon?
It is every scrap business's portable processing dream, says the Belgium company Lefort. The reason is they not only mount balers on trucks, but also produce their tracked versions. And in 2022, the company has more than 4,000 units, which makes it the leader in scrap metal processing. On the screen, you can see the Mobile 660 on wheels and the Trax 600 on tracks. The task of the machines is to cut and flatten scrap metal, making it easier to store and transport it. The wheeled version has no problems driving on public roads, and the tracked version is controlled remotely, which makes it perfect for small spaces.
The CMC Aluna motorhome is a top-tier Italian luxury RV, known for its exceptional craftsmanship and elegant design. Built by skilled artisans in Italy, each motorhome is carefully handcrafted to reflect a perfect blend of experience, creativity, and attention to detail. CMC customizes every motorhome to meet the specific needs of each customer, offering unique features and high-quality materials. They also focus on reducing environmental impact through smart, innovative solutions. The Aluna model is beautifully designed with well-balanced proportions and fits within standard European dimensions. More than just a vehicle, the CMC Aluna is a symbol of luxury, style, and fine Italian craftsmanship.
Meet Artemis, the soccer-playing robot that might just outshine humans on the field. This futuristic machine sprints at an impressive 2.1 meters per second, and it's already gearing up for the RoboCup soccer tournament. Imagine that. Robots training to challenge the world's best players one day. But Artemis isn't just about speed. It can balance on uneven ground, pull off somersaults, and even celebrate a goal in style. Weighing only 37 kilograms, it's powered by electric actuators designed to mimic human muscles, giving it movement that feels surprisingly lifelike. And here's the twist. Artemis isn't limited to the soccer pitch. When it's not scoring goals, it can take on practical tasks like warehouse work, deliveries, and other real-world jobs where agility and strength are key. A robot that plays soccer, flips like an athlete, and works like a tireless teammate, Artemis is redefining what it means to build a player. The real question is, when robots like Artemis join the game, will humans be able to keep up? Meet the micro tugs, the tiny robots with superhero
Shown
strength.
here at 20
At just
times
12 grams, these little machines can
Let's
drag
turn the robot
objects
on
nearly
and watch.
2,000 times
Their
heavier than their
forces
own
are
weight.
strong but short.
That's like a
quick
human pulling an
raise and lower
entire
it, though, it will.
skyscraper. So, what's
Just
their
like
secret?
ants,
It's
can our
all in the
robots work
feet.
together to
Inspired by
accomplish tiny
geckos,
objects
their
because they don't
soles are
weigh very
covered in
much, and their
thousands of
feet swing.
microscopic spikes that grip surfaces the same way lizards can climb walls and ceilings.
Here you
The
can
result?
see
A robot
found
that
that the
combines the
best way
strength
for
of the
robots
Hulk
to
with
work
the
together-
agility of Spider-Man. But the real magic happens when
or
they work together.
350 body weight.
Just 6 micro
Note how
tugs
it's
are
going
strong
on. Let's
enough
take a
to pull a
closer look at that video.
1.8-ton car
We see-
across
like our
smooth
team of
concrete.
micro robots here.
Imagine that.
With near
6
make the robot
robots,
actually
each
move.
smaller than your palm,
front end has
moving
an
something
arm.
heavier than an
Engages
SUV.
Pulls for a
The
cycle.
potential is
and
massive,
turn
from
however it
construction
wants.
sites
Now
where they
let's
could
put it
ship
all back
heavy
times the
materials
force of
to
a single
disaster
robot.
zones where they might save
Running
lives,
100
and even
grams
space missions where
moved
every
the
gram of
author's
power
unmo-
counts.
Picks
These
it up and
bots
drives
could completely
forward,
redefine
and then
how we
lowers
move the
tiny
world
rubber
around us.
hairs are on the bottom layer
Tiny
of the
size,
robot.
unstoppable
Raises and lowers
power.
his belly on command.
The micro tugs prove that sometimes the
Individually
smallest
aren't very
creations
strong.
can make the
They
biggest
overlap-
impact.
The cool part, though, when the micro robot decides to, it can easily
Daymak Boomer Buggy X Pro, a scooter that feels like a car. Imagine a mobility scooter that looks and feels more like a mini electric car. That's the Boomer Buggy X Pro, a fully enclosed 4-wheeled electric ride built for comfort, safety, and freedom. Powered by a 1200W motor and a 60 volts battery, it can travel up to 50 kilometers on a single charge, with a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Recharging takes 8 to 12 hours using a standard household outlet, making it simple and practical for daily use. But what really sets it apart is the design. It supports up to 550 pounds, has hydraulic disc brakes for smooth stopping, and offers 3 driving speeds. Inside, it feels surprisingly luxurious, with heating, air conditioning, power windows, locks, and even a sunroof. A full LED display, rear camera, and easy-to-read gauges keep you in control at all times. The Boomer Buggy X Pro isn't just another scooter, it redefines personal mobility. It bridges the gap between compact transport and full-sized convenience, giving independence a whole new meaning. It's not just a ride, it's freedom on 4 wheels.
Vua Tank, this groundbreaking vehicle isn't your average ride. It's a blend of power, versatility, and luxury designed for both recreational and calm commercial pursuits. With a top speed of 80 km/h and an impressive 383 horsepower engine, the Vua Tank can tackle any terrain, with ease, boasting 580 millimeters of ground clearance to conquer even the roughest trails. Its spacious interior can accommodate up to 10 passengers, making it perfect for group outings or commercial ventures. But here's the twist. Operating this beast requires a tractor driver's license, adding an intriguing challenge to the driving experience. While the price remains undisclosed by the company, online sources hint at a figure around $76,000, making it an enticing option for adventure seekers. With production limited to just 15 units per year, the Vua Tank is set to become a rare gem in the world of off-road vehicles. Ready to experience the thrill. Test drives are available upon request. Get ready to revolutionize your off-road adventures with the Vua Tank.
The Hitachi Rail Blues train is transforming urban commuting in Italy with its innovative hybrid electric design, combining electric and diesel power for maximum efficiency and sustainability. This versatile train can seamlessly switch between electric and diesel modes, reducing CO2 emissions by up to 50% and offering a more eco-friendly alternative for commuters. Designed with passenger comfort in mind, the Blues train features spacious interiors and a smooth, enjoyable ride, making it a practical and relaxing option for daily travel. While pricing varies based on routes and ticketing, it remains an affordable, greener choice for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. Addressing early challenges such as optimizing power efficiency and meeting the varied demands of different routes, Hitachi has focused on enhancing battery life and performance. The continuous refinement of these systems ensures the train operates effectively across a range of routes, both electrified and non-electrified. As the Hitachi Rail Blues train evolves, it is set to become a key player in sustainable urban transportation, offering a comfortable and environmentally responsible travel solution that reduces the carbon footprint of city commuting. With its innovative hybrid system and commitment to improving travel efficiency, it is paving the way for the future of green public transportation.
Pilatus PC-6 Porter. This is the aircraft that laughs at limits. The Pilatus PC-6 Porter isn't built for luxury, it's built for impossible missions. Powered by a single Pratt & Whitney PT6 turboprop engine, this beast lifts over 1,200 kilograms of payload and can take off or land in places most planes wouldn't even try. With its massive wings and rugged landing gear, it conquers glaciers, gravel runways, and even water. Then does it all over again the next day. It may cruise at a modest 115 to 125 knots, but speed isn't its story, versatility is. This aircraft can leap over a 50-foot obstacle in just 440 meters and land in as little as 315 meters, making it a lifeline for remote areas and rescue missions. The PC-6 isn't just a plane, it's a legend of endurance and adaptability. Wherever adventure or survival calls, this unstoppable workhorse answers. Power Nest is a smart way to turn the unused rooftops of tall buildings into powerful sources of clean energy. While most people see these rooftops as empty space, the creators of Power Nest see the perfect spot for energy production. These modules use both wind and sunlight to generate electricity, enough to fully power a 15-story building in some cases. Not only does this reduce energy bills, but it also makes the building more eco-friendly, which can increase the property's value and allow apartments to be sold at higher prices. It's a win-win for both the environment and building owners. For the best results, Power Nest units should be installed on rooftops that are at least 5 stories high and have a surface area of at least 50 square meters. This innovative system proves that city rooftops can be more than just empty space. They can be the future of clean urban energy.
Is a robust all-terrain vehicle engineered to conquer the toughest environments both on land and water. Designed for versatility, it features an 8-wheel drive system that provides exceptional traction over mud, snow, sand, and rocky terrain, making it perfect for off-road adventures and industrial applications. Powered by a range of engines, with substantial horsepower, it navigates through challenging conditions effortlessly. Its durable chassis and advanced suspension system ensure stability and comfort, allowing it to handle steep inclines and uneven ground with ease. Equipped with a snorkel intake and sealed components, the Mudox 8x8 confidently traverses through deep water bodies. Practicality is a key feature, with ample cargo space and towing capacity for transporting heavy loads across rugged. Now, it's the French taking their turn with the Fortress Mark II, a vehicle built to carry a squad of 11 soldiers over any terrain. It comes with a 340 horsepower engine, a 6-speed gearbox, independent suspension, and a central tire inflation system. On top of that, it can reach speeds of up to 120.
The 1X Eve is a versatile humanoid robot designed to work alongside humans in various environments, such as homes and offices. Equipped with advanced AI and multi-terrain wheels, Eve can easily navigate different spaces while performing tasks like cleaning, fetching objects, and responding to natural language commands. Its embodied learning capabilities allow Eve to adapt to new situations over time, improving its functionality as it interacts with people. Built with safety and reliability in mind, the robot is ideal for collaborative work, ensuring smooth and secure interactions. Eve has a wide range of applications across industries, including retail, logistics, and healthcare, where it can assist with repetitive tasks, improve overall efficiency, and enhance productivity. Its ability to learn and adjust makes it a promising solution for the future of human-robot collaboration.
The Zumwalt-class destroyer represents a cutting-edge advancement in naval warfare, designed with stealth capabilities that set it apart from traditional warships. Its distinctive angular shape and radar-absorbing materials make it nearly invisible to enemy detection, reducing its radar signature to that of a small fishing vessel despite its considerable size. This stealth feature enables it to approach threats undetected, giving it a tactical advantage in high-risk missions. Equipped with an array of advanced weaponry, the Zumwalt class is notably armed with Tomahawk missiles, capable of striking targets over long distances with pinpoint accuracy. Additionally, its advanced gun system, AGS, allows for precision land attacks, making it effective in coastal and ground support operations. The destroyer's missile systems are versatile, providing defenses against both aerial and surface threats, thereby enhancing fleet security. Its integrated power system, IPS, is another revolutionary feature, providing the electrical power needed to support future technologies like laser weapons or electromagnetic railguns. Furthermore, the Zumwalt's advanced radar and sensor systems enable extensive situational awareness, tracking multiple targets across air, surface, and subsurface domains. Altogether, the Zumwalt-class destroyer stands as a formidable force in modern naval strategy, integrating stealth, firepower, and advanced technology for unmatched mission versatility.
Imagine a train that can switch power like a superhero. The Hitachi Blues concept train isn't just another ride. It's a futuristic hybrid marvel redefining European rail travel. This groundbreaking train runs on three different power sources: electricity, batteries, and a diesel engine. On electrified tracks, it zips along using overhead lights. When the wires disappear, batteries and diesel take over seamlessly. And here's the smartest part: near stations, it runs silently on batteries, cutting down both noise and toxic emissions. The results are game-changing. The Blues train slashes carbon emissions by 50% while still reaching impressive speeds of 162 kilometers per hour. It proves that speed and sustainability can ride side by side. More than just a train, it's a vision of the future, where clean, adaptable transport keeps cities quieter, the air cleaner, and passengers moving faster than ever. The Hitachi Blues isn't simply about travel, it's about building a greener future for the ground.
The Joby S4 is a cool electric flying taxi by Joby Aviation. It takes off like a helicopter and flies like a plane, carrying a pilot and 4 passengers. With a 150-mile range and 200 miles per hour cruise speed, it's built for quick city hops. The S4 has 6 tilt-rotor electric motors that help it lift off straight up, then switch to fast forward flight. It's also designed to be super quiet, way less noisy than helicopters. Joby wants to use it for urban air taxi services around the world. Building one costs about $1.3 million.
The summer of 22 brought more fire problems for Germany. In particular, fires were actively spreading through the Brandenburg region. Not only are there a lot of dry pine forests, but there are also munitions from World War II. So the task of firefighters and rescuers is extremely tough, but luckily, they have auxiliary equipment. Now on your screen, you can see the Universal Muller Safety Trailer, which can be used for 3 functions. First, it is a tow truck for fire-damaged vehicles with the ability to cool them down with water. Secondly, it's a classic trailer that can carry 31,526 pounds of load. And thirdly, it is a fire tank with a capacity of 4,500 gallons of water. German engineers are not sitting idly by either. Their latest invention, the PGA Tech Frog transforming truck, can already be seen on the road. This vehicle makes loading and unloading much easier. Now you can easily get, for example, pallets inside. It's built on a Fiat van and the design doesn't damage the asphalt, paving stones, or other surfaces. The development was quite successful and was even shown at the Worth exhibition.
Unit the BVS-10, also known as the Bannon 410 or Boulevard 410, is an all-terrain, armored tracked and articulated, amphibious vehicle originally developed for the British Royal Marines and now manufactured by B Systems Hägglunds in Sweden. It boasts greater power and speed compared to its predecessor, the BV-206, featuring a robust 5.9 L diesel engine that allows it to reach speeds of over 80 km/h on level Class A roads. The BVS-10 operates effectively in temperatures ranging from 46 C to plus 49 C and is designed to handle heavy loads. Recently, Germany approved the purchase of 227 additional BVS-10 units at a total cost of $99 million, approximately $1 billion.
DAL Logo 12K. The advantage of this truck is that in addition to transporting wood, it's also capable of loading and unloading on its own. The cabin, with a hydraulic lifting device, rotates 300 degrees. This feature gives the driver a better view and makes steering easier. The DAL Logo 12K is designed to work in the woods, so the suspension and wheels are able to cope with moderate off-road conditions. The model is intended for hauling small and large logs up to 39 feet, or 12 m in length. The number 12K refers to the maximum timber lengths that can be transported. The maximum length of the range is approximately 72 foot. Volta-Zero, the developers of this vehicle, sell their brainchild as a modern truck for the city of the future.